Hey guys, this is MDP Tech and today we're unboxing a Bluetooth adapter. Actually, I was using the Bluetooth adapter 4.0, which was very old and very bad, so I decided that I need to change it to Bluetooth 5, and now it increased four times the wideness and 2 times the speed, so why not to try it out? So let's just dig into that. Let's just start it. As you see, it has 3-year warranty, so I guess that's gonna be useful. Of course, I guess it's not gonna break in 3 years, because the cheap one that I was using, it was like around 3 years actually. Okay, take out the plastic and let's take a look what's inside. Okay, here's the adapter, nothing else. Put it to the side. Here is the adapter. Install ASUS BT-500 on a laptop or desktop which has a built-in Bluetooth module. Ensure to go with Windows Device Manager and disable the built-in Bluetooth before installing BT-500. Actually, that's quite useful info. If you have already pre-installed in your system Bluetooth adapter and you want to upgrade it, you need to disable the one that's in the pre-built system. Okay, Asus. I like it. Has a little bit of weight. We'll see. What else we have? VIP member warranty notice. Register VIP and start warranty. Okay, I think we're just gonna download drivers and that's it. What else we have? We have such a big guide. Why do you need? Oh, that's a lot of languages. Okay, maybe on older Windows there is some sort of installing intricacies. If your PC has built-in Bluetooth. Okay, so there's a guide how to install it if your system has already pre-installed Bluetooth adapter which you want to upgrade. Okay, so that was Asus BT-500 Bluetooth adapter unboxing. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do and ask them in the comment section. Press like, subscribe, and thank you. Bye.